Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. I'm Sinead Crowe and I am doing a styling video on something that has been requested so many times, but I kept dragging it out because and it's a Nike Air Force One, obviously you know from the description, but I was dragging it out because my other ones, I've kind of worn them, they're so comfortable, and I feel like I haven't really got into the swing of wearing them properly until literally this last month or so. And like wearing them in proper outfits, not just to like nip out to the shops or go for a walk and dog walking and stuff. So mine are a bit battered, but I just got a brand new pair and I'm going to link them below. These are from Amazon and are actually men's trainers, but they're unisex style, I thought, anyway. And I've got size 8 feet and these start at size 5. They also have them in kids up to size 5, so you know, you can, I couldn't find them in women's, but I think that pretty much covers all sizes. I did size down in these because they're 41, which is an 8 for me normally. In all the other shops like Topshop and stuff were size 7, so I got size 7. And these are, they're not too big for me, but they're not like, they're definitely not too small. I think 6.5 would be too small, and so I got them with the black tick on. So I literally love my white ones so much, but I thought it would be ridiculous to get another pair of white ones, but I really wanted a pair that were like crisp and clean and just looked really nice, because my other ones have got a bit tatty. And I kept seeing these ones and I was torn between the black tick, the pink tick. They have like one with pastel pink and I had one with pastel yellow, and then I narrowed it down to the black and the yellow, and they didn't have the yellow in stock, so my decision was made. And I do think that these are probably, I'm less likely to get bored of them, and I feel like if I'd have got the yellow I might have ended up wanting and getting these as well, which I might still get the yellow, but anyway, that was my reasoning behind it. So I got these and they are so comfortable. I already know that because I have them in another colour, in the plain. I'll link the plain below as well. But I just thought, since I've got them and it's been a highly requested video, I would do different ways to wear them for spring. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to like talk you through them and do it vlog style, because I feel like I actually prefer it that way. So let me know what you guys think, because I'd love to hear your opinion as always. And yeah, enjoy the video. So this is outfit number 1, and I actually just put this on to take pictures, and then I was like, hey, I'm kind of obsessed with this look. So it's really kind of preppy, and I'm really into these kind of preppy looks at the moment ever since lockdown, but I would definitely wear this out. I just feel like it's a really casual look, but it just feels a bit more, there's something to it. I'm really loving it. So got this lilac top on from my Mango haul, which I'm obsessed with. And these shorts, which I know you guys love. I've just rolled them up to make them a bit shorter, but they are actually this long. But I like them rolled up. And then I've got this. This is just an Arquette jumper, but it's quite old. But I love the ribbed detail with this one. And this is my favourite one to wear over my shoulders. So I'll link this, but I'll also link one that's maybe a bit cheaper, because if you're just going to wear it over your shoulders, then it doesn't matter. Then I've got the Nike trainers on, and I'm loving wearing them with Nike socks. So I've just got my black Nike socks on, and this is how I actually prefer to wear them with dresses, because I just think there's something about it that I think looks really nice when you've got bare legs. So yeah, this is my first outfit, and it was actually an accidental one, so I'm gonna have to remove one of my top 10 because this has taken the place. But yeah, I love the lilac and the like kind of cream pastel look, so cute. So this is outfit number 4, and I love this one so much. By the way, do you guys like these videos when I'm talking? I actually think I prefer them, so let me know. But yeah, so this dress I don't know if I've shown you it a lot on here or not, but it's all over my Instagram because I'm obsessed with it. It's just got these gorgeous sleeves. The ditzy print is beautiful. I love that it ties here, so you can have it tightened like this or loose. I actually think I'm going to wear this on my birthday because it's just so beautiful, and I think it looks really cute with trainers. I wanted to show you because obviously my other one I showed you with the trainers and the socks, but I feel like this is a more girly outfit, and I just wanted to show you that it really does go with a girly outfit too. And then I've got this basket bag, and I love basket bags for spring. I just think the colour summer, sorry. The colour just goes with everything. It really balances out the nice green dress, and like I just look like I've been walking through a meadow. Also, you can fit so much in here, so it's perfect for if you want to wear a summer dress like this, but equally, you know, we're in the UK, who knows what might happen. Or if you're going somewhere later, you could put a pair of heels in there, you could put a bottle of water, an umbrella, a jumper, you name it. You could fit a sleepover bag in there. So yeah, or you could actually put a picnic in there. So I love a basket bag, and I think this is probably going to be my favourite outfit, though hopefully they're all my favourites. So this next one is kind of like business casual. This is like what you would wear if you're on a Zoom call for a meeting. Business up top, party on the bottom. And yes, so I actually borrowed this blazer from my sister a while back, and I think I'm going to keep it, I'm not going to lie. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video and remember that I've got it. But I just really love it with these tracksuit shorts. I always saw this kind of look on other people, but I thought I couldn't pull it off. But do you know what? I think I can. So these shorts are actually from Marquette. I will link them. I think they're sold out, but I did find an amazing pair which are actual like equal quality, whereas all the other pairs I've found have been like $9.99 pairs, but I found another pair that are really good quality, so I'll link those below too. Then I've got this little crop top which I got from ASOS last year, but I'm sure it says basics that have it again. And then I've got another basket bag because I'm basket bag obsessed. And this was actually a gift bag. I just filmed another video, and then I was like, I've already said this, and then I realised that I said it in the other video. It was a gift bag. I went to a press trip with Vestia, and then they filled it with all like garment protection things like suede and leather spray, cashmere comb, a de-bluffer, like all things like that, which was really cute. But yeah, so I don't know where this is actually from, but it says 100% handmade. I will find it. I'm sure there's one on Etsy or Amazon, so I will link one alternative below. And yeah, I just love the oversized blazer with the shorts and cami underneath. I just think it's a really cute look, and I think it looks so nice with the trainers and socks again. I feel like it's a really nice kind of neutral with a pop of colour, but blue is still quite a neutral colour, but it's just a really nice, like, fun summer colour. And then if you get hot, you're ready to sunbathe. So this next one is with this little white dress, and the next couple of outfits are going to be with this because I wanted to show you it in two different ways. So the first is just with a sweatshirt over the top. I think this kind of looks quite like a cute tennis-y outfit. Oh my god, I'm going to take loads of pictures of this after I finish filming. And I just think it's so cute and oversized. This is actually from the men's section, and I talked about this in my wardrobe staples because I think that an oversized sweatshirt is such a summer wardrobe staple. They are so much more lightweight and like they're more breathable than a jumper, so they're the perfect summer layer. And I just think that this looks so cute over a dress as well, as you can see. And then with the trainers, again, it's, as I said, it's given me all of the tennis skirt vibes. And then obviously my basket bag again, because it has to come with every outfit. But yeah, I think this looks really cute. You could also do the whole belt trick or knot trick, and tuck this under, and I think it would look really cute as well. So it almost looks like a high-waisted skirt. So there's a couple of outfits in this one outfit there for you guys. So I wanted to show you another outfit with this dress, and that is with the long line blazer. I just think it's a perfect length for a dress. You can just see a little bit of the dress hanging out, and this does actually have a belt which I've removed, and it looks really nice. It like cinches it in, and that would look really cute with a little bit of the dress hanging down too. But I just like it open, particularly because you can see a bit of the dress, and I kind of like the juxtaposition, is that the right word, fancy word for me, with the kind of like boho linen dress and then the smart tailored blazer, and then you've got the Nike trainers. And I do think, even though they are really casual, they do look really smart because they are clean and tidy and white, and just like the structured style about them. There's just something that I don't think that they look like. They don't look sloppy like you would expect trainers. And then I've got my Gucci bag on. I love this bag so much. I've told you guys time and time again that it's one of my faves, and I just thought it went really well with this kind of neutral look. So next I've gone for a super cute, kind of almost Princess Diana inspired look, though I don't think she'd have knotted her t-shirt. So I've got my cycling shorts on, which I bring out every summer. They are the comfiest shorts ever. And then I've got my Gucci t-shirt on, which has been neglected for like a year, but I was sorting out my wardrobe and I saw it and was like, why have I not been wearing this the whole time? Like, I spent an outrageous amount on this t-shirt, so I should be wearing it every friggin' day. And then I've got my little Prada, which I have got an amazing £18 dupe for BTW, and I'll link that in the description. And yeah, then the Nike trainers with the socks again. I honestly prefer it with the socks for bare legs, but that's just my personal style. I think all of these outfits would look nice without the socks too. That's just how I personally prefer it. But yeah, I really like this. It looks nice with the t-shirt oversized and long as well, and this would look really cute with a sweatshirt, but I just thought it would look really nice. I like the way it looks with the knot. It looks quite like sporty and very 90s fashion, baby. So this look is with my white jeans, which I talked about in my summer essentials, and they are my favourite pair of white jeans or cream jeans I've ever owned. So I've taken the socks off for this outfit because I do think that with trousers I like it when you can see a little bit of skin. I always wear socks with my trainers anyway because I think that otherwise they get stinky, but I just wear the ones that you can't see. So they're like tiny socks. I'll link a pair below. But yeah, I love these jeans so much. I love the way they are. They would also look cute folded up like this, so you can see a little bit more ankle. So you've got two options there. And then I've got my racer vest on, which I think this looks really nice just in an outfit in itself, with the racer vest, the jeans and the trainers. But then also I wanted to make it a bit smarter, so I've added this blazer, which I love so much. This one's actually from Girlfriend Denim, but I've got one pretty much exactly the same but with less shoulder pad action going on from Arket, and it's more affordable. So I'll link both for you guys depending on your budget and what you will sacrifice if you want the shoulder pads or not. So I also want to show you guys what they look like with tailored trousers, and I think we can all agree that they look pretty freaking cool. I actually love this look so much. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much, and I thought potentially I might have to roll the trousers up because they are a longer style, but no, I love the way that the trousers pull around the ankle of the trainers, and I just think that they look really nice together. And again, it goes back to them being a kind of smarter trainer. I just think they look so good like this. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And then I've got to add to the kind of like smarter look, I've got this padded shoulder vest top on and my Gucci bag, because I just think it looks so nice in this kind of neutral look. So I also wanted to show you just with the classic jeans and a white tee. So I've got my favourite jeans on here that are so comfortable and just the best fit. And then my little gold chain, my shoulder pad, t-shirt, and my little Prada 90s bag. And then these trainers are like so 90s. I love them. So this is a really cute like 90s denim look, and I love it. These jeans are so comfortable, I can't get over them, as are the trainers, to be honest. But yeah, I just thought this was such a cute like kind of everyday look. So this look is one of my faves and one I've been wearing around the house quite a lot, but I also think it works out of the house. They look so cool with joggers too. I love these joggers. These are really old from H&M men's section, but I'll link I'll find them and link them below, the updated version, or I'll find an alternative. Then my yellow shirt, which you guys know how obsessed I am with it. And actually, do you know what? I was worried about not being able to wear it without anything underneath because it's quite sheer, which makes me A, not want to wear anything underneath because it will ruin the effect, and B, worried. But these pockets are placed perfectly, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And I got this like a couple of sizes up because I wanted it to be super oversized, and I just love it, and I think it looks so cool with the trainers too. This whole look is just so dreamy and one of my faves. And yeah, I think that's my final look. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me style these trainers. As always, links for the trainers, all sizing information for everything I wore, and links for everything I wore will be in the description box below, including this blazer, necklace, top, earrings, basically everything I'm wearing. And if you want to see more from me, there are tons of videos I've been uploading every other day, so there's so much content to go around. And also I have been, if you want to see me styling them, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because as well I post there like 2 or 3 times a day. And one more thing, if you want to see more styling videos, if there's anything I haven't done, just request it in the video, the comments below, and I will do it. But equally, there are tons. There is linen trousers, there are tailored trousers, there are jeans, there are Balenciaga trainers, there is a Gucci belt, there is a Chloe bag, there is Gucci loafers, there is everything you can think of, because I do them often. So yeah, there's lots still to come and lots to catch up on. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss anything, because I am uploading regularly now. And don't forget, I've just said that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.